we are going to cover the white paper for the iMoney Crypto, which is IMC for the IMC token, version 1. Introduction: no more unusable coins. Everyday convenience. Anytime, anywhere, online, offline, local, and global. Here comes the real utility crypto. No more unusable coins. IMC invites you to the everyday convenience. IMC, iMoney Crypto, is a blockchain crypto which provides financial freedom and global everyday usage. IMC is based in the state of Wyoming, which is the most crypto-friendly in the United States of America. The IM Technology Group is introducing IMC in alliance with the G-Point community. G-Point community has its own G-Point ecosystem composed with online G-Point shopping mall, offline G-Point certificate networks, and provides G-Point Bank of America cards along with G-Point special services. With IM Exchange, an international crypto exchange, and numerous partners, IMC becomes a cryptocurrency actually backed up by a community which has a platform and population that makes it spendable in the marketplace and the community. It means it has a ready-to-use member group in the G-Point community so that IMC will take a lot less time to be a major cryptocurrency. Our most prominent milestone has been the establishment of a global method of banking with the Bank of America powered by IM Fin services that is accessible all around the world for users by having a major U.S. bank account. With the benefits from the community such as reward mileages, affiliated local shops, swapping with G-Points, and much more to be introduced, the IMC-friendly population will be expanded rapidly. IMC will satisfy common users, both seller and buyer, who are reluctant to use cryptocurrency in the everyday life, such as shopping, traveling, and so on. The outstanding volume and price will be governed by the Community Council's self-governance to maintain sound and reasonable status of the currency. IMC is therefore not only a spendable credit coin, it could be a potential investment as well, growing as the market expands. The IM Exchange, powered by a world-renowned crypto giant, is being operated in the state of Wyoming, USA. The IM Exchange has operated since fourth quarter of 2020. IM Utility Ecosystem. So first starts with the IMC, then branches off in two directions, the IM Exchange and the G-Point Marketplace. With the IM Exchange comes Bank of America Global Debit Card that you can use it anywhere, and the G-Point has a G-Point Mall for online shopping, franchise for member discounts, and gift cards for Amazon / the E-Mart, etc. With G-Point Mall, you can enjoy the best of the best 30 products available only in the G-Point Mall. Up to 50% discount for more than 300 brand products. Selected local businesses affiliated with G-Point Mall. More convenient G-Point gift certificates. Whole variety of gift certificates and cards can be purchased with G-Points. IMC Utility Ecosystem. When you purchase products with G-Point, you can purchase them at a discounted price compared to regular payments. You can charge G-Point with IMC purchased at IMC Exchange. And IMC will promote excellent products through the G-Point market with SNS marketing. IMC software architecture. IMC applications including trading engine, inter-exchange gateways, customer portal, community council portal, and an admin portal. The IMC currency layer has trending engine, inter-exchange gateways, customer portal, community council portal, and admin portal. IMC blockchain layer is the blockchain database management system, the IMC network layer, and the IMC utility alliance comes with global coin distribution, G-Point Mall on offline shopping mall, major global exchange security and system maintenance, IM Exchange Global Crypto Exchange, IM Fin Service, Bank of America account and debit card, G-Point Community Consumers, and State of Wyoming legal compliances and supports. IM Blockchain System So the IM Coin blockchain system consists of supply management system, a community council, wallet system, exchange gateway including coin exchanges and sovereign currencies with the bank, currency trading system, merchandise trading system with buyers and sellers, IMC blockchain itself, a wallet system for offline stores, and store administration system for members and the users. Market status: worldwide proliferation of AI shopping and online retail market. Globally, cognitive computing and artificial intelligence systems market is projected to grow at an annual rate of 55.1% over the 5-year period from 2016 to 2020, during which time the market is projected to grow from $8 billion in 2016 to $47 billion in 2020. The industries that invested the largest amount to artificial intelligence systems in 2016 were the financial and the retail industries, followed by the healthcare and assembly manufacturing industries. In particular, the financial and retail industries each reached $1.5 billion in 2016, while the healthcare and assembly manufacturing industries are projected to grow at an annual rate of 69.3% and 61.4% respectively from 2016 to 2020. Furthermore, the field of artificial intelligence applications is expected to grow rapidly, reaching $18.2 billion by 2020. The hardware sector for servers and storage is also projected to grow at an annual rate of 60% for 5 years from 2016 to 2020. The artificial intelligence AI in retail market is anticipated to exceed $8 billion by 2024. Market status: the e-commerce market continues its rapid growth. There is also a new shopping trend that utilizes artificial intelligence as well as community. Retail e-commerce sales worldwide in billions of US dollars from 2014 to 2021, starting at 1.336 billion, actually that's trillion, all the way to 4. No, that's billion, 4.479 billion by 2027. E-commerce share of total global retail sales from 2015 to 2020. We went from 7.4% in 2015 all the way to 14.6% in 2020. Market solution: base mining system. IM Technology Group supports minerless blockchain. Currently, there are many mining factories around the world mining cryptocurrencies commercially. IMTG intends to utilize an internal AI-based reward system instead of many individual miners in order to be a minerless blockchain. This will serve as the basis that allows all users to participate in the blockchain ecosystem and to apply new systems such as big data, AI, and IoT. Construction of a minerless system using blockchain AI system to distribute rewards fairly, information service based on powerful big data monitoring system for commercial mining. Community system. The IMC platform is designed for everyday use in communities around the world. IMTG will build the IMC platform based on the G Point community of G Point Mall, an online membership shopping mall. From there, the entire community will expand through partnerships with other communities and shopping malls. Through this strategic partnership, IMC seeks to build platform services that can be used in markets and communities to build a real-world use and function of cryptocurrency in each community. Because G Point community already has a direct and strong member group, IMC will be popular quickly and reliably. In addition, IMC is prepared to systematize and manage the advantages of cryptocurrency so that it can be meticulously maintained. Complex platform combining community system and blockchain currency system that can be distributed according to local situations, AI system for various customer-oriented services, and platform management systems. IMC Blockchain Shop Global Shopping System. The IMC platform seeks to provide shopping solutions to rebuild the global online shopping market. A blockchain system will be constructed to enable transparent management of production, distribution, and merchandising. All components will utilize smart contract becoming internal big data. The IMC blockchain shop system will be a replicated service of the IMC platform for global direct distribution where each node acts as a single ecosystem. In addition, coins paid in each country will be easily exchanged and automated to enable convenient shopping anytime and anywhere. Support for smart contract allows online store and product listing to be transparent. Shopping solutions designed to be built and operated according to the conditions of each country. Construction of global cloud big data system for shopping information. Information system for AI deep learning. IMC payment system. The IMC platform will facilitate a payment system with dedicated blockchain cryptocurrency. It is designed to automatically calculate internally regardless of country-specific coin system. The consumer can use the payment service conveniently anywhere in the local store with mobile payment. Smart mobile payment system. Payment for offline and offline shops. Market solution. IMC cloud server system. Smart shopping system, culture community system, payment system, which leads to G-Point Market, mobile network, public database and storage, the IMC platform itself with advertisement and manager, contents API, big data API for node big data, payment API, and AI mining. So the partners are NDB, MySQL, MongoDB, and MySQL. IMC platform plans to provide a wide and open environment for creating a large-scale lively ecosystem. It has the potential to become a powerful blockchain ecosystem in which all of the members, including manufacturers, suppliers, and sellers, participate and share together. Legal, legitimate, transparent, and secure. IMC platform will be an open service that can facilitate various components. It will support various OSs, operating systems, and devices, provide separate participation modules for the circulation structure of the industry. All data used in the various operating supplies and devices are going to be stored as big data, so as to have statistically meaning by AI deep learning in the future. All of these platform systems are aimed to be viewed, managed, and rewarded for all participants in the circulation structure. In the future, this should be able to provide information for production and distribution by providing forecast information based on the preferences of the participants and statistics. For supplier, there may be various types of suppliers in the IMC ecosystem. The actual manufacturers are the very beginning of the ecosystem as well as the final part of the circulation structure. Manufacturing suppliers have the most important position in these ecosystems. However, the suppliers did not know how the products they manufactured with great care were being distributed, consumed, and then utilized. The IMC platform provides manufacturers with a wide range of information on distribution and consumers so that they can use the various information to produce better products. For the distributor, from the perspective of the distributors, the IMC platform provides effective demand and supply prediction information and a structure to receive IM coin as a reward as being the liaison between suppliers and consumers. Information on precise usage and propensity of consumers can be very helpful for demand prediction. It can also be constructed as big data to form powerful information-based distribution services over time. The IMC platform is able to analyze the supply, distribution, and consumption trends based on strong AI-based consumer analysis. Because accurate data can be collected even for new products, this prediction data alone can help to promote the distribution business without additional research. And for the consumer, consumers should have IMC, a utility token, to purchase goods and services. However, beyond merely making purchases, Consumers will be able to participate in the process of manufacture and distribution as members of the IMC ecosystem. Ultimately, they will also have the right to know exactly what the product is and where it came from. Within the IMC platform ecosystem, the transparency of this information enables trust in reliable products and fair distribution processes. Consumers will enjoy the advantage of being able to participate in various processes within the ecosystem with a single IM coin. It is also a very useful means to be used in processing after consumption of the product. For the community, there is the benefit of providing information and solutions for various community services, including the G-Point community. Rewards for activities within these communities are again distributed via IMC, which becomes a new factor in rejoining the circulation ecosystem of consumption. IMTG hopes to see improved production and consumption of goods by using the community information generated during the distribution process. They can also be viewed and motivation for consumers to participate actively in community activities. IMC specification. IMC Smart Contract. IMC supports smart contract that connects the production, the distribution, and the consumption processes. A separate smart contract is applied to each unit, and the compensation for all processes are calculated and connected through the AI system. Creative Smart Contract Manufacturer Transactions Ledger, Distribution Smart Contract Distribution Transactions Ledger, Retail Smart Contract Sales Transaction Ledger, Derive Algorithm for negotiation with final manufacturers. The IMC API. Various modules will be provided for each ecosystem member. They will be provided as separate asset types for better supports for different OSs, devices, and platforms. Windows OS, Personal PC Base Module, Linux OS, Personal PC Server Machine, Mobile Base SDK, Google Play Store iOS App Store contents, and for customer-based service. Exchange service. IMC transactions can be performed through private wallets as well as through a separate exchange service, including IM Exchange but not limited to. It is possible to exchange with other coins without going through a separate exchange. It can be used in content as well as on the web in HTML5 format. You may receive real-time market value like the Home Trade System and use conveniently. Home Trade System HTML5, Coin Prices API System, Blockchain Exchange Service API Service, Exchange Service for Customer QR. The IMC Wallet. Wallets for various operating systems will be provided so that even those who have not used cryptocurrency before can easily use. In addition to basic wallet functions, it will also provide the ability to receive information services directly from the IMC platform. IMC Wallet Service, IM Exchange Service. IMC Specification for the IMC Online Service. The IMC platform will provide an open IMC online service that allows you to view and track overall information on the production, distribution, and consumption ecosystem, rather than a single piece of information. The IMC platform enables you to view, verify, and enjoy purchasing together. We will support mobile service also. In this online space, it will be possible to negotiate and trade directly using IM Coin, as well as to link various product distributions in the future. Working attraction linkage, voice module support, and multi-party voice chat support, surrounded sound support. Other contents linkage and joint play support, personal AVATA system, news dashboard, customer wishes record, analyzation social network data, machine learning for personal record. IMC specs. IMC is an open blockchain token built with ERC20 algorithm. Coin specs are as follows. The available token is 300 million IMC. Normal price, 1 IMC equals zero point zero 0.01 USD. That's the nominal price. Token sale, 40%, 120 million go of IMC. Company takes 20%, 60 million IMC. Research and development gets 20%, 60 million. Staking rewards 10%, 30 million. Team and advisors 10%, 30 million. And token format ERC20 standard. Currency accepted, Ethereum and XRP only. The IMC roadmap. IMC start date, fourth quarter 2020, the IMC platform launch. It goes into the IMC service open, G-Point market open, G-Point SNS marketing, IMC exchange open, first quarter 2021, IMC platform upgrade, IMC global shopping open, second quarter 2021, customer service opens, Go Global Public Exchange. The third quarter 2021, API platform opens. The fourth quarter 2021, Global Shopping 2.0 opens. And 2022, IMC Platform 2.0 opens. IMC Major Exchange Listing. IMC Platform and Services will be gradually open for public from the fourth quarter 2020. The schedule above presented would be changed upon development situation and business environment sooner or later. A disclaimer and risks declaration. We understand the concerns that potential purchasers may have regarding IM Technology Group, IMTG, the project and its development. You can find out our risk declaration in the following document. Notice to residents of the United States. IMTG represents that its best knowledge and understanding the offer and offering of these IMC tokens does not constitute an offer and offering of a security or of gambling chips. In case of doubt, be advised that the offer and offering of the IMC tokens has not been registered under the U.S. Securities Act of 1933 as amended the Securities Act or under the securities laws of certain states. These IMC tokens may not be offered, sold, or otherwise transferred, pledged, or hypothecated except as permitted under the Act and applicable state securities laws pursuant to an effective registration statement or an exemption therefrom. Notice to residents of Canada. IMTG represents that to its best knowledge and understanding, the offer and offering of these IMC tokens does not constitute an offer and offering of a security or of gambling chips. In case of doubt, be advised that unless otherwise permitted under securities legislation, the holder of this IMC token must not trade the IMC token before the date the issuer becomes a reporting issuer in any province or territory. Notice to residents of China. IMTG represents that to its best knowledge and understanding, the offer and offering of these IMC tokens does not constitute an offer and offering of a security or of gambling chips. The IMC tokens are not being offered or sold and may not be offered or sold directly or indirectly within the People's Republic of China for such purposes not including the Hong Kong and Macau special administrative regions or Taiwan except as permitted by the securities and other laws and regulations of the People's Republic of China. Notice to the residents of the United Kingdom. IMTG represents that to its best knowledge and understanding, the offer and offering of these IMC tokens does not constitute an offer and offering of a security or of gambling chips. In case of doubt, be advised that the United Kingdom, this document is being distributed only to and is directed only at any investment activity to which it relates will be engaged only with investment professionals within the meaning of Article 19.5 of the Financial Services and Markets Act 2000, Financial Promotion Order 2015 as amended, the FPO. Persons or entities of a kind described in Article 49 of the FPO, certified sophisticated purchasers within the meaning of Article 51 of the FPO, and other persons to whom it may otherwise lawfully be communicated, all such persons together being referred to as relative persons, so this document has not been approved by an authorized person. Any investment to which this document relates is available only to, and any investment activity to which it relates will be engaged only with relevant persons. This document is directed only at relevant persons, and persons who are not relevant persons should not take any action based upon this document and should not rely on it. It is a condition of you receiving and retaining this document that you warrant the company, its directors, and its officers that you are a relevant person. IMTG risk factors and security measures. We understand the concerns of our existing and potential customers regarding problems and risks that IMTG may face during this development. There are some of these risky factors. Our products are highly technical and may contain undetected software bugs or hardware errors, which could manifest in a way that could seriously harm our reputation and our business. These bugs and errors can manifest in any number of ways in our products, including through diminished performances, security vulnerabilities, malfunctions, or even permanently disabled products. We have a practice of rapidly updating our products to fix these bugs. Some errors in our products may be discovered only after a product has been used by users and may in some cases be detected only under certain circumstances or after extended use. Our users may increasingly copy portfolio application directly to their broker instead of through IMC platform to avoid the fees, which they may negatively regret the effect or revenue and serious harm on our business. To avoid this, we decided to limit the access to our main and most successful product, AI for stock market. Only top 200 people after the token sale will have access to it. To protect our products for currency and cryptocurrency markets, we decided to set up a minimum amount of IMC tokens for access to be granted. If our security is compromised, or if our platform is subject to attacks that prevent or thwart our users' ability to access our products and services, our users and partners may cut back on or stop using our products and services altogether, which could seriously harm our business. Our efforts to protect the information that our users possess may be unsuccessful due to the actions of third parties, software bugs, or other technical malfunctions, employee error or malfeasance, etc. In addition, third parties may attempt to fraudulently induce employees or users to disclose information in order to gain access to our data or our users' data. If any of these events occurs, or our users' information could be accessed or disclosed improperly, unfavorable media coverage could seriously harm our business. If we receive a high degree of media coverage globally, unfavorable publicity regarding us, for example, our privacy practices, product exchanges, product quality, litigation, or regulatory activity, or regarding the actions of our partners or our users, this could seriously harm our reputation. Such negative publicity could also adversely affect the size, demographics, engagement, and loyalty of our user base and result in decreased revenue or slower use growth, which could seriously harm our business. We may be subject to regulatory investigations and proceedings in the future, which could cause us to incur substantial costs or require us to change our business practices in a way that could seriously harm our business. It is possible that a regulatory inquiry might force us to change our policies and practices, and there were we to violate existing or future regulatory orders or existing decrees, we might incur substantial monetary fines and other penalties that could seriously harm our business. We have a short operating history and a new business model, which makes it difficult to evaluate our prospects and future financial results. In addition to increases the risk we will not be successful. We began commercial operations in 2020 and generated no profit yet. We have a short operating history and a new business model, which makes it difficult to effectively assess our future prospects. Accordingly, we believe that purchasers' future perceptions and expectations, which can be idiosyncratic and vary widely, and which we do not control, will affect our token price. Our business model is based on promotes and develops new technologies in the field of shopping, productivity, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies. Particularly, IMTG is creating a global open ecosystem for the distribution industry, as well as the basis of blockchain technology, with the aim to provide a unified technological platform for customers, developers, and advertisers to exchange their services and digital goods amongst each other with the aid of a smart contract-based digital goods created by IMTG. You should consider our business and prospects in light of the challenges we face, including the ones discussed in this section. We develop and will be developing our products and services in partnership with providers. The loss of one or more of our key personnel or our failure to attract and retain other highly qualified personnel in the future could seriously harm our business. We currently depend on the continued services and performance of our key personnel, including the CEO. As we continue to grow, we cannot guarantee we will continue to attract the personnel we need to maintain our competitive position. In particularly, we intend to hire a significant number of engineers, providers, the developers, and mathematicians, and we expect to face significant competition in hiring them. As we mature, the incentives to attract, retain, and motivate employees provided by our token sale gains or by future arrangements such as through cash bonuses may not be as effective as in the past. If we do not succeed in attracting, hiring, and integrating excellent personnel or retaining and motivating existing personnel, we may not be unable to grow effectively and our business could be seriously harmed. We have broad discretion in how we may use the net proceeds from our token sales, and we may not use them effectively. We will use the net proceeds that we receive from our token sales accordingly to our mission, constantly increasing accuracy of predictions to improve our investment products' performance. Our efforts may be ineffective due to poor management, regulatory investigations, and other problems. We may use a portion of the net proceeds to acquire complementary businesses, products, services, or technology. We may use a portion of we may also spend or invest these proceeds in a way which our token holders disagree. If our management fails to use these funds effectively, our business could be seriously harmed. If we are unable to protect our intellectual property, the value of our brand, and others' intangible assets may be diminished, and our business may be seriously harmed. If we need to license or acquire new intellectual property, we may incur substantial losses and costs. We aim to protect our confidential proprietary information in part by entering into confidentiality agreements and invention assignment agreements with all of our employees, consultants, advisors, and any third parties who access or contribute to our proprietary know-how, information, or technology. We also rely on trademark, copyright, patent, trade secret, and domain name protection laws to protect our proprietary rights. We have filed various applications to protect aspects of our intellectual property, which could require significant cash expenditures. However, third parties may knowingly or unknowingly infringe our proprietary rights. Third parties may challenge proprietary rights held by us, and pending and future trademark and patent applications may not be approved. In addition, effective intellectual property protection may not be available in every country in which we operate or intend to operate our business. In any case, We may be required to expend significant time and expense to prevent infringement or to enforce our rights. Although we have taken measures to protect our proprietary rights, there can be no assurance that others will not offer products or concepts that are substantially similar to ours and compete with our business. We include open source software in our products. From time to time, we may face claims from third parties claiming ownership of or demanding release of the open source software or derivative works that we have developed using such software, which could include our proprietary source code or otherwise seeking to enforce the terms of the applicable open source license. These claims could result in litigation and could require us to make our software source code freely available, seek licenses from third parties to continue offering our products for certain uses, or cease offering the products associated with such software unless and until we can re-engineer them to avoid infringement, which may be very costly. If we are able to protect our proprietary rights or prevent unauthorized use or appropriation by third parties, the value of our brand and other intangible assets may be diminished, and competitors may be able to more effectively mimic our service and methods of operations. Any of these events could seriously harm our business. And that is the IMC white paper.